Ann Arbor specifically has this blend of arts, of sports, of culture, but it's not in a big city. It wasn't like there was so much going on. You still have a university-centric town that has a lot of the other things you'd look for in any kind of great American city, but it's there in Ann Arbor and it's got that neighborhood feel. It's very approachable, very comfortable, but yet it has all those great things that you'd look for in any university environment.
It was a campus town, and a large campus town at that. The whole environment, the culture, the whole feel was very young, very fun. While being at university, it also had other aspects of it, like a bigger city, like good restaurants, good lifestyle, good nightlife.
Just the notion of walking or having lunch in the park or drinking a coffee in the outdoor cafeteria. It was, without feeling unsafe, that was just amazing. So Ann Arbor became this very peaceful place for me and highly creative. Every time that I enter the space of both Ann Arbor and the university, for me, it's like my mind expanded, it was magic.